So I was just playing around and I worked out Henry Hoover's actually make really good kettlebells. You just have to take the long bit off, I don't know what it's called. So you got especially if it's full. It stretches. My form's going to be terrible, so don't copy me. Just showing you that it's possible. Around the world, whatever this is called. Hoover your floor first. Get a full bag. Double hands. Make sure you stuff the hole with a sock, otherwise the dust will go everywhere as well. And you can do Turkish get-ups as well. Down. Up. Along. Back. So there's loads you can do with it. If you don't have a Henry Hoover, just go buy a kettlebell.